Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious steak sauce, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need fresh aromatics like shallots and garlic, along with some fresh herbs. Also, measure out your liquids, including beef broth, red wine, and heavy cream. Make sure you have a small saucepan and a whisk ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build our flavor base. Begin by sautéing your finely minced shallots and garlic in a little butter or oil until they are fragrant and beautifully softened. Next, pour in about a half cup of red wine to deglaze the pan, making sure to scrape up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Allow this wine to reduce by about half, intensifying its rich, complex flavor. With our flavor base established, it is time to achieve that perfect sauce consistency. Add 1 cup of rich beef broth and a 1/4 cup of luxurious heavy cream to your pan. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. For desired thickness, whisk in a small cornstarch slurry, about 1 teaspoon mixed with water, until the sauce coats the back of a spoon. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches. Stir in 2 tablespoons of cold butter, which will give your sauce a beautiful, glossy sheen and an extra layer of richness. Taste and season your sauce with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Now, your exquisite homemade steak sauce is ready to be served warm over a perfectly cooked, juicy steak. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.